Bowhead whales are thought to have the longest lifespan of all mammals. They are estimated to live over 200 years.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Nature is Phenomenal. In this video, we are going to talk about 10 such animals which are almost immortal because they can live even after their death. So come with us and make sure to watch until the end, as you are going to enjoy this video for sure. Before we start, I would want you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Let's go. Hydra. You might recall this creature from your science classes in school. This is a freshwater organism, and they are known in tropical regions usually. They are known for their exceptional regenerative abilities, as they can regrow damaged organs in an instant. And other than that, they do not age at all. Talk about dying of old age. They have a tubular body, and they remain stuck at one place only. A hydra leads a really simple life, as they do not move and capture the prey which crosses near their tentacles. But as mentioned earlier, their main immortality comes from their power to regenerate so fast. If a hydra dies, it is because of deteriorating over time, not because of any other reason at all. Blue lobsters. While hydra can regenerate their damaged areas, a blue lobster takes it another step forward. A blue lobster can repair their DNA multiple times, and there is no limit in this process. Thanks to enzymes called telomerase, they can make changes to the schema of life, the DNA, which in theory can make them immortal. This enzyme telomerase is also present in humans, but its effect reduces significantly over time, while it does not happen in lobsters. The lobsters have this enzyme flowing in their blood throughout their adult age, and hence, they can repair their DNA and effectively live a much longer life.
And place this guy in the tank, come on.
The immortal jellyfish. The jellyfish species known as the Turritopsis dohrnii is known to be a biologically immortal being. They are a very small and visually transparent jellyfish, and their bodies are made up of almost 90% water. They are known to revert back in time, as they can go back to an earlier stage of their lives. While the life cycle of the jellyfish includes stages from fertilized egg to larva stage, called planula, this jellyfish, Turritopsis dohrnii, can effectively reincarnate itself to the earlier stages of its lifetime.
It predominantly preys on plankton, fish eggs, and small mollusks such as cones.
Cockroach. While you might be scared of this pesky insect, there is one fact about them which will definitely shock you. Did you know that a cockroach can stay alive even if you cut off its head? A cockroach's respiration system is different from ours. While we need our head, that is nose and mouth, for breathing, a cockroach does not rely on the same. Instead, due to the hazardous conditions they have evolved for, a cockroach breathes through its trachea, and it does not have lungs like we do. So even if you behead a cockroach, it will not die straight away. Instead, it will make it out for a few days, for a week or so. It will die due to lack of food, not to lack of oxygen. Planarian worms. I always had a weird feeling for worms, and this one is a bit special. Just like Hydra, a planarian worm can also regenerate its damaged organs. Even if you cut the worm in half, it will not die. Instead, it will restart its life in two different beings. Isn't that amazing? By using this tactic, the planarian worm can effectively live for eternity.
But watch. You can see under a microscope that overnight its wound...
Water bear. This is known as the indestructible species on the planet. And for the OG Marvel fans, you might have seen it in the Ant-Man and the Wasp movie. This microscopic being is known to live for thousands of years, and scientists believe they are able to achieve this much lifespan by almost being dead. A water bear can actually stop its metabolism, and this stage is known as cryptobiosis. Hence, the being comes to life after being dead.
It's probably impossible to kill a
Deinococcus radiodurans. This bacterium is also renowned as the radiation-resistant bacterium. As its nickname suggests, This species can embrace gamma radiation of 1.5 million rads easily, and for reference, only 3,000 times smaller radiation can easily kill a human. Their secret of this invulnerability lies in their DNA, as they can survive anything, like cold, dehydration, and so many adverse conditions. Their DNA can repair itself, and they can come alive, even after dying.
Bacteria's membrane and cut up the polymers into smaller chains. These small sugar fragments are then brought...
Bowhead whale. In the modern times, this species of whale is known to be the oldest mammal alive. While we expected them to have a life expectancy of only 70 years, we found some bowhead whales with scars from the era of the 1800s. This was shocking news, and now we came to know that there are whales which are over 200 years old. Do they ever die? We do not have enough evidence for that.
Longest baleen plates of all whales.
Aldabra giant tortoise. While tortoises have had the opinion to be the longest living animals, some researchers claim that they are effectively immortal. While a tortoise can easily live as long as a century, some researchers believe if they were not subjected to predators and diseases, they can live for eternity. Their organs do not wear over time, and hence, they are almost immortal. Greenland shark. These sharks are known to be the immortal sharks, and they are also known as gory sharks. These dangerous-looking animals are considered to be never dying by a lot of people because of their remote habitat. They are not easily spotted, and we can say that they lead a low life. The reason for their renowned immortality is the fact that one Greenland shark was found to be over 500 years old. This started an argument about the lifespan of this beast, and a lot of people claim that it's immortal.
Saying an age of 512 years old does not really sink in until you...
This brings us to the end of the video. Hit like if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. With that, see you in the next video.